Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today on the 380 I'm going to show you how to change a tail light. You'll find that this is pretty well the procedure for a Magna if you have one, and not even just a Magna, for most cars, especially of the 2000s sort of era. New cars, things tend to change a bit, so yeah, today I will show you how to change a tail light. So of course the first thing you want to do is buy a tail light that is in better condition than your own. As you can see, this one's cracked and it's been letting water in and it's faded and turned to shit. This is a super easy job to do. So you'll find that there'll be a few clips. I think there's 3 or 4 on the Magna if I remember correctly. I can only see just one just in here on the 380. So just grab it there and just pull the clip out carefully. When I say carefully, don't be too careful, otherwise it won't come out. And just move the carpet out of the way. And what you'll be able to see through here is the bolts and provisions to take the tail light out. Now, this may come as no surprise to you, but filming in a boot is very, very, very awkward, especially when there's a freaking gas tank in the way. So I'm going to try my hardest to film and hope that it works. We'll see. So we're going to start with the 10mm here and just undo that nut. And I poked my head under before, and there's also one up here that we will undo just here. And by undo it, we'll actually undo it and not tighten it, because that usually, for some reason, helps. I'm also trying to film this by myself, so sorry, because the sun's at a really awkward place, and it's very awkward to try and hold the camera and, work on the car at the same time, so I do apologise for that. So, once we've undone the 2 nuts in here that I showed you guys before very awkwardly, basically just give the tail light a wiggle, which I may have already done, and it should slide out. And then what we have to do is remove the globe holders from their respective holes, and they should come out really easy. But should and do are 2 different things. Let's start with a little one. Twist and out. Twist and out. And I said and. Goodbye, scrap. So as you can probably tell, that last globe holder was an absolute C. So Floyd did it and we just put the camera down for a sec. It's a good idea while your globes are out to check how they're looking. As you can see, this orange indicator globe is not orange anymore, but we don't have one here at the moment, so we'll just fix that up next time. Installing the new tail light is just as easy as uninstalling the old one. It's just a matter of putting the globe holders back in their respective holes. Basically, with the holders, they do have a correct way. Basically just spin them until they fall into their required holes, and then you know that they'll be correct. Now just line the tail light up, or you can also clean it out while you're in here, which usually I do, but I'll do it another time because we have to take the indicator globe out again anyway, so we'll just do it next time. But it's a good idea to clean it while you are in there. That looks a lot better already. Now all we have to do is get back in the boot. Do up those 2 nuts. Oh, the sun's right where I can't see. So we just have to do up the 2 nuts that we undid before. Probably wouldn't hurt to put a long extension on to make your lathe a little bit easier. It also doesn't help when there's a camera in your face.
Deal with it.
That's what I get for wanting to make YouTube videos, eh? Oop, my foot slipped. I just moved everything. I should just use the spanner, it would be so much easier. I need to move. All we then have to do is put the carpet back in. So just tuck it back up under that plastic panel. Make sure if there is a provision or a hole in the carpet for where the clip goes, that is lined up. Put the clip back in. And that is how you change a tail light. The only thing I would recommend doing that you won't see us do now is just to check your lights to make sure that they all work. But it's really as easy as that. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next one.